All right, so I'm over here working on this privacy fence, and I got the Milwaukee 30 gauge, 30 degree nail gun here, battery operated. This boy right here is show enough approved. Boy, the sun coming off that window is like, dang, magnifying glass. But
here's some information.
Okay, I didn't want no information. But hopefully, as always, you guys can see. Throwing these nails at an angle. Cause they're a little too long. But yeah, the Milwaukee nail gun is sure enough good. Make sure I get you guys in the view here. Probably should have on the head cam. Let's split that one. Yeah, this Milwaukee gun though, man, this thing is it's good, baby. I was a little skeptical about getting the battery operated versus the compressor, but it's good though. Throw me another rack of nails. Don't hold a lot of nails though, and that's a negative, I guess. The only negative that I really have about it. But you see, you can throw 3 nails, just the rapid stuff right there. But it's good, man. Love this bad boy. Appreciate it. Yep. Let's get him loaded. Easy to load. Right, too long. Get those others set out. All right. Take my measurement. $48 and a half, 3 of them. Yes, sir. Go ahead and check my level. See how good that is. Come out a little bit more. Start getting more level there. But yes, sir. But yeah, man, this gun is good, man. This is a pretty nice little gun here, man. You ain't gotta drag around no hose and no compressor. And you can turn your speed up and down right there. Probably need to turn it down because it started splitting that board over there, but you know, we good, man. This is, I'm gonna throw about 3 more boards up here with you guys, then get you guys out of here. I don't want to bore you guys to death, but make sure you check out my video that I talk about how to become a contractor over here, building this privacy fence. I can walk you guys around, show you what's happening. Couple guys out here working on it. Here come my boards.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Appreciate it. All right. Get up there. Take them up top. Wire, take it to the wire. But yeah, man, the only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't hold as many nails as the compressed nail gun. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta kick out a little bit. Start to create my little gap slowly. So I'm gonna gap it right there just a little.
3 of them at 48.
Great. Small gap. See what we got going on there. Ain't nothing y'all can't do. Y'all can do anything. If I can do it, you can do it. Check my level. Bam. Getting closer. We're getting closer. Take my new measurement.
I would put the post in there and then put it in there.
Yeah, I will put the post, yeah. And the post needs to be...
3 and 48 and a half. Whenever you get that, whenever you're ready.
I got 3 at 48 and 3 at 48 and a half.
Yes, sir. But yeah, man, that's it, man. That's the Milwaukee nail gun, man. The big boy. It's good to go, man. If you get one, let me know. Let me know how it works out for you. Peace out now.